Take your time, Brody. That's what I'm talking about. No, we don't. I think it's sighted in. Let's go take a look at it. What once was a dishwasher is now not anymore. Let's take a look, see what we got. Yeah, we used to be a dishwasher, and now we are not, boys. It's ugly. No survivors. No survivors, boys. She's done. I'm not washing dishes anymore. Guess what? I am retired.
Dang!
What do you think, Brody?
I think that's awesome.
Yeah, I do too. That's what we do. Happy Memorial Day, everybody. Good job. Yes, sir. We did it.
We gotta watch that video.
You damn right we do. It's gonna happen.